This exercise I have taken for practice. First question is, are the underlined verbs right or wrong? Correct the verbs that are wrong. So, like first and second is solved. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So, this one is a normal thing, daily happens, it's a fact. Yes, so the fact should be in simple present. Okay, so this one is right. Now, second one, the water boils. Can you turn it off? When somebody is saying, can you turn it off? That means the action is happening now at the time of speaking. So this should be in present continuous, not in simple present. That's why it is wrong, and the correct answer is boiling. In the same way, we will solve the next one, third one. Look, the man tries to open the door of your car. Now, when someone is saying look, look means now action. Action is happening at the time of speaking now. That means it should be in present continuous. So that man here, this is wrong. So I am writing W for wrong. And the correct thing, what should be here, is trying. The man is trying. Next one. Can you hear those people? What do they talk about? Now, can you hear those people? Now, again, same thing. This is also at the time of speaking now, because somebody is asking to hear those people. Can you hear those people? So, what do they talk about? That means they are talking at that point of time. So, they are talking at that point of time means at the time of speaking. So, they should be in present continuous. So, this one is also wrong. And what, if it is they, then the plural verb will come. What are they talking? So the correct thing is, what are they talking about? So what are they talking? Next one. The moon goes round the earth. The moon goes round the earth. This is a fact. So this one is right. The fact should be in simple present. So this one is right. I must go now. It gets late. I must go now. It gets late now at the time of speaking. So it's get late is wrong. It should be it is getting late. So this one is wrong, and the correct is getting late. Next one, seventh one. I usually go to work by car. So he's saying usually. The word usually is used. That means often, habitual action that mostly happens. So this thing should be in simple present. I usually go to work by car. So this one is right. Next one. Hurry up. It's time to leave. Okay, I come. So when somebody is saying hurry up, it's time to leave, then what will you reply? Okay, I am coming. Yes. So this one is wrong, because this is at the time of speaking only. Okay, I am coming. The verb should be am coming, not come. Next one. I hear you have got a new job. I hear you have got a new job. How do you get on? That means now, is everything going well or not? This is what he's trying to ask. So I hear you have got a new job. So this one is also asking about the job at the time of speaking, at that time only. Okay, so this is also present continuous when this conversation happens. So this should be also in present continuous. So how do you get on is wrong. It should be how are you getting on. Next, put the verb in the correct form, present continuous or present simple. You know how to fill the present continuous or present simple. Just now we have done one exercise on basis of that. So first, second is solved only. So already, so we are starting from third one. So hurry up. Everybody dash wait for you. Now hurry up is present continuous tense. Hurry up, that means at the time of speaking now. So everybody is waiting for you. What is present continuous? Is MR plus ing form of verb. And what is simple present? Verb first form. Rule you have to learn. Without rules, you'll not be able to understand single thing. So hurry up, everybody is waiting for you. Now the next one. Fourth one. Dash, you listen to the radio. No, you can turn it off. So we have to use subject you over here and the verb listen. Now when somebody is asking to you that you listen to the radio, no, you can turn it off. So the reply is you can turn it off. That means somebody is listening at this time, and that is why the another one is saying yes, you can turn it off. So this should be in simple present or present continuous. It should be in present continuous because it is now action. So here the answer is, are you listening? Interrogative. In interrogative, auxiliary come first and then subject come and then ing form of verb. Listening. Auxiliary means helping verb. So are you listening to the radio? So the answer is no, you can turn it off. Next one, same question, little difference. Dash, you listen to the radio every day? No, just occasionally. Now the person is asking generally that you every day listen or not. So he is replying no, just occasionally. So this is a general asking, that means daily habitual action. So the habitual action should be in simple present simple. So what is simple present? First form of verb. And if we have to make a interrogative, that means do, does, subject and first form of verb. So here we have to use subject you. So with that we use the auxiliary do, you, and then first form of verb. Listen, only listen. Do you listen to the radio every day? No, just occasionally. Now coming to the sixth one. Next one, the river Nile dash flow into the Mediterranean. So the river Nile dash into the Mediterranean, it is a fact. And you know the fact should be written in simple present. So there should be the first form of verb, flow. So it should be flows. Because singular subject takes singular verb that we got to know from subject verb agreement. Yes, next. Look at the river. Now somebody is saying look at the river. That means look means at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking means present continuous. It dash flow very fast today, much faster than usual. So it is flowing. It is flowing. Look at the river. It is flowing very fast today, much faster than usual. Now coming to the eighth one. We usually dash grow vegetables in our garden, but this year we dash not grow any. Now usually means daily, we do usually, not most of the time. That means often happens this action. But talking to the this part is about this year not happening. That means first sentence is about routine, something at routine, but this should be in a simple present then. And then another one is about this year, so it should be present continuous. So answer is we usually grow. But this year we are not growing any. Next, ninth one. How's your English? Not bad. It dash improve slowly. So this is also at the time of speaking. Somebody is asking, how's your English? Not bad. It is improving. It is improving slowly. Next, Ron is in London at the moment. He dash at the Park Hotel. He dash there when he is in London. So Ron is in London at the moment. At the moment means at the time of speaking. He is saying at the moment, this particular moment. He dash stay at the Park Hotel. That means he is staying. He is staying at the Park Hotel. He dash always. So it is always and stay. So when we are talking about always, that means happens, usually happens. Okay, so this should be in habitual action. That means it should be in simple present. So he always stays. He is singular subject, then singular verb will come. That means with s.